Okay, I'm gonna show you in this video how to do it, Michelle. So open the YTD video downloader and open Chrome. And the downloader's right here, Chrome, and then in Chrome, go to YouTube. I have it right here. Or you could type it in up here, but I'm just gonna click this. You're gonna go to YouTube, and you could search for whatever song or video or whatever noise you want, and you just let the video open, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click this. Hold on. Make sure the whole thing's highlighted from the HTTPS all the way to the end, and you're gonna copy it. You're gonna copy it, and then you could pause the video, and you're gonna go to the YTD video downloader, and you're just gonna move it over, and it's automatically gonna paste. So whatever you copied up here is gonna paste right here, and you're just gonna download it. And you have to let this ad go through. You can't close it out right away. Yours might not have an ad, but it may have an ad. So just let it go through the whole however many seconds it takes. Then once it's done with the ad, it'll start downloading automatically, and it'll give you a status bar right here. And at this time, while that's doing that, you can open iTunes. You can open iTunes at the beginning too when you open Chrome and the video downloader as well. And you can open this folder file too. And you can just minimize this, and you can minimize the YouTube. Alright, so once it's done downloading, you go to convert, and you're going to click on this folder right here. And you're going to search for the video that was just downloaded, which is the 8 Mile. This is the one I downloaded. Whatever one you downloaded, it's going to be named that. So you're going to double click that, and it's going to show up right here. And just to make sure, you're going to go to this convert video to, and you're going to click that, and make sure the MPEG audio layer 3 is clicked, the MP3. Click that, and then go to convert. And once that's done converting, you can open the iTunes. You can, whichever way works best for you. So you can make that bigger, or you can leave it small, and go to the here, and you're gonna go to the videos, because that's where I believe that's where I saved it, and it should automatically show up here. So 8 Mile, so whatever yours is named, and then you're gonna go down to iTunes, and you're gonna drag it into here. And so as long as it lights up blue, all that recently added all the way to downloaded, as long as that lights up blue, it will be put into iTunes. And then here, come down to recently added, and then you're going to click on this, and then you are going to go up to file, and then you're going to go to convert, and you're going to convert it to an AAC version. And what's going to happen is it's going to create another audio file. So it's going to create this. You could click that, and you could go back up to file, and you're going to go to show in window explorer. What that's going to do, it's going to pop up where this AAC version is, and what you are going to do from here is you're going to click this, and it'll highlight all of that, but it won't highlight the .m4a. and you're going to change the A to an R, and that makes it into a ringtone or tone to use on your iPhone. And you're going to push enter, and then you're going to hit yes. And then so from there you could go to iTunes and you could delete these two. Enter. Delete this one. Enter. And then go back to the file. And by this time you should have the phone plugged into the computer already. And it'll show up here. The phone will show up here, and it'll show up down here as well, somewhere around here. It'll say Aaron's iPhone, or if you're using yours, Michelle's iPhone, or whatever you have your iPhone named as. And you're gonna come here to the file, to the where you changed the name to the M4R. You're gonna go to there, and then you're gonna drag this ringtone into iTunes, and you're gonna have to drag it into the iPhone, because it's not gonna drag into here, or it's not gonna drag down here. You notice it didn't show up blue, it didn't highlight blue. It'll go straight into your iPhone, and once you drop it into your iPhone, it'll show up immediately into option that says tones. I believe if you click on the iPhone, you could click on this, and there'll be an option that says tones, and it should show up there, and it'll automatically be in your iPhone. And you could go to your iPhone settings and choose it for whatever ringtone you want, for your text messages, for your ringtone for calls, whatever. So I hope this helps. All right, bye.